Hey guys, it's the next Gen Kids, and today we're going to be making fluffy Floam slime. So in this video we're going to be making the Floam slime, and the main ingredients for making Floam fluffy slime is the Floam beads and of course the shaving cream. The shaving cream makes it fluffy and the Floam makes it crunchy and beady. So let's start. So first we have our glue, and we're gonna pour it into our bowls. So
just a little bit.
For my sister, I'll put some glue. And for me,
A lot of glue.
So that's our first ingredient. Next, we can add our shaving cream. So do you want to do that? Open it up.
It's not open.
Nope. I'll help you. So next is the shaving cream, and this is going to make our slime fluffy.
Very shaky.
So nice, fluffy. For me too, of course.
Oh.
There. That should be perfect. And now we're gonna mix. Make sure you guys stir fully, and there shouldn't be any more shaving cream and glue that hasn't been combined.
Yeah, and it can't be sticky.
Well, it has to be sticky, of course, because there's glue in it.
Yeah, but
and then next we want to add in our Floam. We don't want to add this after we finish our slime or activate it, because then it won't incorporate properly. So we'll start by opening this up, if I can find it. So we can start pouring this in.
Not too much.
And you can make it crunchy depending on your liking. So if you don't want it that crunchy, you don't have to add it in at all, or only a little bit. Or if you like it a lot of crunchiness, you can add a lot more, like us. So now we're gonna give this a good mix so everything is nice and in.
Yeah.
So like this, it has to be perfectly incorporated into the glue.
I think I'm gonna do.
And I think we're ready for the customization step.
Yeah.
The food coloring.
I think I'm gonna pick purple.
Yeah? You want purple?
Yeah.
Here's her purple. And we don't want to add too much of this, or else it'll color your hands. And I might go for maybe like a blue. So, yep, so she has put her drop in, and now I'm gonna put my blue. I guess, okay, that's perfect. So we can now give this a good mix.
This is great light purple.
So, as you can see, and this is the important part of slime. So, for us, we're going to be using contact solution as ours. You can use whatever activator you want, like borax or anything like that. Yeah, Tide or anything else. So we're going to be using some contact solution. So let me open this up. So at first, I think I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons. So we have to add in the 2 tablespoons. And I think we're ready to mix. So this will activate our slime and make it nice and good. As you can see, it's already starting to stick to itself and not stick to the bowl.
Yeah.
And I think after you've fully incorporated this contact solution or whatever your activator is, you can immediately start to put a little bit more if it's not perfectly like not sticky, or it is sticky, but you don't want to add too much or it'll make your slime hard.
A few moments later.
So now we're done mixing. Let's play with it.
I'm the slime monster. Yeah, I like slime. Yeah. make sure you guys like
And
for
subscribe!
more videos from the Next Gen Kids.
Yeah, that's us.
See you guys later.
Yeah.